Welcome to the DJI Dock 3 tutorial video, where we will show you the installation and usage of DJI Cellular Dongle 2 on DJI Dock 3 and DJI Matrice 4D series. Open the dock covers. Unscrew the 4 screws of the dongle compartment cover with a 2.5mm hex driver, and remove the cover. Connect the antenna cables to DJI Cellular Dongle 2 with the DJI logo facing outward. Mount the dongle to the USB-C plug inside the dongle compartment. Arrange the antenna cables. Ensure they will not be crushed by the dongle compartment cover. Check if the dongle indicator is green. Put on the dongle compartment cover and secure the 4 screws tightly. Unscrew the dongle compartment screws with a 1.5mm hex driver. Remove the dongle cover. Place the dongle with the DJI logo facing upward. Make sure the film on the back is removed. Connect the antenna cables to DJI Cellular Dongle 2. Match the USB-C port with the USB-C plug inside the compartment. Gently push the dongle into place. Secure the compartment cover. Ensure the dongle cover is flush with the aircraft body. Tighten the screws. Open Flight Hub 2 and enter Device Status window. Enable Remote Debugging. The 4G transmission function can be enabled for the aircraft. The device status window will display a 4G icon with the signal strength. Power on the DJI RC+2 Enterprise Remote Controller and the DJI Matrice 4D series aircraft. Make sure they are connected. The network of DJI RC+2 should be in a normal state. Enter DJI Pilot 2. Tap the top right to enter the settings page. Enter image transmission settings. Enable enhanced transmission. Check the network link detection. Displaying green indicates the network is functioning properly.